Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data analysis skills step by step. First, grasp the fundamental concepts of data analysis, understanding what data is and how it's used. Next, master essential tools like spreadsheet software and SQL. A solid grasp of these will be your bedrock, allowing efficient data manipulation and retrieval. Finally, cultivate strong statistical thinking to interpret your findings accurately. Moving forward, it's crucial to learn a programming language. Python and R are excellent choices, offering powerful libraries for data analysis. Dedicate time to practicing data cleaning and manipulation, as real-world data is often messy and requires significant preparation. Once clean, focus on creating compelling data visualizations. Tools like Tableau or Matplotlib in Python can help transform complex datasets into clear, impactful stories, making your insights accessible to everyone. As you progress, delve into more advanced statistical methods and an introduction to machine learning concepts. Understanding these will broaden your analytical toolkit significantly. The most effective way to solidify your learning is by working on real-world data analysis projects. Start with small datasets and gradually tackle more complex challenges. Each project is an opportunity to apply your skills and build a robust portfolio, demonstrating practical experience to potential employers. Data analysis is an ever-evolving field, so continuous learning is absolutely key. Make it a habit to stay updated with new tools, techniques, and industry trends. Engaging with the data community, perhaps through online forums or local meetups, provides invaluable insights and networking. Finally, consider specializing in a particular data domain, such as finance, healthcare, or marketing. This can deepen your expertise and open up more targeted career paths, making you a highly sought-after professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.